God, I feel like an Englishwoman. Having fun on paradise. Okay, see whether you can capture me. This video. This is where my money's at. Having fun on paradise. See the tower over there? That's where we're heading. I'm here with my friend Nani. Hi, Nani.
Hi.
You have such a unique name. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so much. I better wear this cap that Mona forgot. Oh God, I feel like an Englishwoman. Look at it. Look at the trees under it. Look at that mango tree. Look at her hair. And this one has so much fruit. Now here they come pluck. I don't see Wow. I thought I could find this one.
You can't climb that tree.
It doesn't have any.
You can't climb the tree. You are like a man now, a woman. So you can't.
Because of that, it's just not easy to navigate. It's just a bit slower. At least stay here. Yeah. You hear that? It's gonna take a while. So yeah, I'm on top of the tower. I've been seeing all the way from my house, and it's huge. Let's walk this side. I'm kind of like having height dizziness.
You're going to have it because as I said, I'm really not.
That's why my phone is like directly proportional to where the floor is here. So I get the paranoid. So when we're passing inside the jungle. Wow. And that is NNPC.
Yes. That's NNPC.
Wow. Just sitting outside, enjoying the view. It's so beautiful. I take it all. Inside. See us, we're going down.
Catholics.
Wow. Bye, Lighthouse. The first evangelical gospel.
This is the first church we start by
Oh, it would be nice to do a horror movie there.
audio Nigeria.
What? Look at this tree. What? This looks very ancient. I'm going to touch it. See what happens. So I'm the one in the movies that you guys won. Okay, even me too. I'm scared. Like what? But okay, here goes. Okay. This is. Wow. I better wake up with a superpower tomorrow. Hi, tree. Good morning. It's Heaven Kissed on your screen, and I look tired because I have a rough night. See my hands? I've scratched myself again. Thank you, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes were there was one that just constantly stationed itself by my ear, just whirling around, It was so crazy. I'm here to edit videos from last week Sunday, which felt like a lot. Like I actually did a lot of activities last week Sunday. Was that also when I made my hair last week Friday? Yeah, I think so. I've been reading this book by Chimamanda. Yeah, it's called Americana. I didn't expect to enjoy it so much because when I finished reading the initial book that got my interest for weeks was I think it was called Freedom by Jonathan something. So I suggested like more books like this. Suggested Americana. I wanted that book called Other People. They had other suggestions, but I didn't see the book at Oceanpedia because that's where I'm downloading books. It really has been fun reading instead of like engaging in scrolling and stuff like that. And TikTok is so addictive. I used to run away from there. I just post my YouTube channel and just leave. Like I got the highest exposure I've ever gotten on TikTok for a while. Like since I've been like the views have been under 100, barely get to 200, sometimes 98. The time I was even consistent. Now it got to 400, which was nice, but I didn't stay for too long, just do what I want and left. Then what else? Okay, yeah, let me look at. Then what else did I do? Anyway, I've been streaming, trying to make up money so that I can be able to retain where I'm staying. I have chores this morning. I want to do some laundry. I'll don't get ready with me. Maybe do like a fast track, I just want to arrange my room. I've taken my bed sheet to wash. Oh my god, these are days I just feel like removing my head and say, but I'm gonna go for a swim later. So I've already made up my mind. I would have gone for a swim this morning, but I think evening swim is better. Maybe around that 5:30 when the sun is coming down. So yeah, it's been all nice. My friend came over yesterday. We made potato and egg, and it was lovely. The other day I ate I've been kind of enjoying eating native soups like okra and stew with semo. I never expected to enjoy it so much, but I did. It's really fulfilling. Swallows are really fulfilling over here, and you don't need to spend your time cooking the swallow. You can just go buy it, which is nice. Oh my god, I'm feeling pressed. I want to go to the toilet. I think I might show like a fastness of me cleaning the house. I think I want to try that. And what else? I did an adventure on Thursday. Yes, I went to see the tower. I'm glad I experienced that because I would have been procrastinating. And it's documented for us, or else you watch it or something like that. Anyway, I'll see you later. Helen Kiss, I'm still on your screen again today. I'm heading to the beach. I'm ready to swim. I haven't swum all week. I kind of avoided it because of the salt water on my face. So, but today, I actually want to relax at the beach, even just lie down. I can't believe I live by the beach. I will be speaking to you when I have laid my mat. I'm supposed to have taken a pen and biro, but it's okay. I can't wait to do a video of when I'm swimming. I hope I'll be able to get one.